Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize 1Password sign-in with browser extension security controls step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official 1Password website. Locate the option to download the 1Password browser extension. Download and install the extension for your specific browser. Once the installation is complete, find the 1Password icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the 1Password icon to open the extension. You will be prompted to sign in to your 1Password account. Enter your email address and master password in the respective fields. Click the Sign In button. After a successful sign-in, you may be prompted to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. Once authentication is complete, you will have access to your vaults directly through the extension. To adjust security settings for the extension, click on the 1Password icon again. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Security tab. You will see options to adjust security features like autolock and biometric unlock. Configure these settings according to your preference for added security. Ensure you save any changes you make to the settings. To add a new site to your vault, click on the 1Password icon and select Save New Item. Click Save to add the login credentials to your vault. Your sign-in credentials are now securely stored and accessible through the extension. To access saved passwords, click the 1Password icon and select the site from the list. This will autofill your login details into the browser. Periodically review your security settings and saved items to maintain optimal security. Keep your browser extension updated to ensure you have the latest security features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.